Hello students, welcome to this short lecture on what are the different options after engineering. Okay, so my name is Himanshu Pandya and let's start this small talk. So after engineering, there are many options, but right here now I am going to discuss some few of the most popular ones. So these are the main categories. You can do business after engineering, or you can do more further studies, and or you can do job. Okay. Now in terms of business, there are two options. First, you can start your own business from scratch, from zero, and this is your entrepreneurship journey will start. Or you can do your family business, which is a great way to start a business if you have already having some family business running. So these are the two options for the business. And before just jumping on the business, there are many things need to be done in between this jumping to the business and after engineering. You have to learn all the skills, necessary knowledge for having or operating that business. So it's not like that after just passing out you will start some business. First of all, you have to learn about all the trades of that particular thing, and gain expertise, and having proper guidance. Then only I will recommend to start your own entrepreneurship business. Okay. So in further videos, if you want, we will talk more about on point number one or point number two. So please let me know in the comment section. Now come to the second point. After engineering, many students prefer to do further studies, and these can be classified into two parts: technical and non-technical. In technical studies, you can do your masters by by clearing the gate exam. Okay, these are the options for these are the options so that you can do your masters from reputed engineering college like IITs and NITs. So after clearing gate and having getting good score, you can go for MTech from a good engineering college. Okay. Now, if you want to pursue your masters from abroad, then you have to clear the GRE exam, and some universities also need TOEFL or IELTS uh, passing marks in these exam also for your English communication. So you have to clear your GRE for getting admission abroad for MS. Okay. And these are the technical option in which you can pursue your technical education further. And after MTech and MS, you can also definitely go for PhD and postdoctorate and all that. So, but just after engineering, you can adopt for these two options. Okay. And in non-technical field, the one which is most uh, popular one is MBA. And why it is popular, I want to tell you that because after doing MBA, there are many companies which are technical companies which prefer their management to have their some technical knowledge, and for that they prefer BTech student who has completed their MBA, so that they can directly relate to the product or services which the company is providing. Okay, so MBA not only adds your degree but also helpful for achieving your financial goal much more earlier. Okay, so after doing MBA, there is lot more chances that you are getting a better salary than just after getting into job after engineering. Okay, so it is not that that you can do MBA from anywhere or just bring the degree and you will get a lot of money. No, you have to clear some exams like CAT exam for pursuing MBA from reputed college like IIMs and all that. So if you want, I can make more videos on these topics also. So please comment 3, 4, or 5 in the comment section if you want that I will make more videos or detailed videos on this topic. Okay. Now the third important branch or the thing which an engineer do after pursuing its engineering is job. Okay, and again in job sector there are two classifications. First is government job and second one is private job. Again in government job there can be technical or non-technical, because engineering person can do any task which any graduate can do. Okay, so after doing engineering many students tends to go for non-technical also, therefore I have added this topic here. So in technical you can go for armed forces examination for various armed forces, like Indian Army, Indian Navy. Okay, and Indian Air Force, Indian Coast Guard. So all these are the different examination. Okay, all these are different examination for different armed forces. For technical jobs, armed forces also have examination for simple graduation that will can be discussed in non-technical field. Okay, next you want to become a scientist in India, then you can also join ISRO or DRDO. They have their own examination, so for that you have to regular check their notifications and all that, and they have very rigorous interview session and examination session, so that they can get the best out of a person and they get the best scientists in their organization for India. Okay, so if you want more interested in knowing about these examination, please let me know in the comments. Then we have engineering services examination, EAC, and it is conducted by UPSC, and from these examination you will go to the PSU such as Indian Railways, Central Engineering Services, Central Water Engineering Services, and etc. So these are considered as the topmost engineering jobs in government sectors, and these are the engineers who are regular in contact with the ministries and decide all various new technological enhancement for our country, and these are the people in later stage will directly work with the ministers and guide them, and means show different various technological uh, work which can be needed or can be done to the Indian economy or India as a whole. Okay, now the next sort of examinations are for PSUs. Apart from these also some PSUs also conduct their own there is two methods to go to other PSUs, like some used to directly recruit from the gate results, like here you can see, like BHEL, ONGC, NTPC, HAL. These are different types of PSUs. PSUs are basically public sector units, public sector companies which have major stakes by government, and some private stakes are also there. But 51% is with the government and 49 can be with the other private or some other firms. Okay, so these are the firms which are directly controlled by the government, and these are the companies which can have recruitment from gate examination only. So through gate you can also go for your basically MTech, and if you want you can also pursue your you can also pursue your job from GATE. So GATE is the most important examination in the field of engineering. Okay, so every student must have uh, try to compete in GATE examination, so that they can able to apply for all these companies. And some PSUs conduct their own examination, like these PSUs. Okay, like IOCL, SAIL, BHEL, GAIL, BARC, and NPCIL. Okay, so these PSUs conduct their own examination, and you have to appear on their own examination, and they have some percentage limitations also, like some required 60, some required 70, some required maybe 75 also. But you need minimum amount of percentage. So if you want, I can make a detail about all these also, so please let me that also in the comment section. Okay, so these are the PSU's company. They are very much stable and good job. Okay, now next one is staff SSC junior engineering exam. So these are the various department under the ministries and all that, where junior engineering engineers are required. Okay, so like uh, CPWD and like military engineering services, Central Water Commission's Department of Post, Central Water and Power Research Station, border BRO, road organization. Okay, various state public works department. So these department needs engineer, junior engineer, which are recruited through SSC exam, and this is much more popular with the many students, because it is little bit simpler than GATE and PSU exam, and many students can apply for that. And after that, you can also apply for a state level engineering services exam. Okay, every state had their uh, commission, and they conduct various engineering examination for their electricity, water works, transportation department, and all that. For that, you can directly go to various state public service commission websites. Like for Rajasthan it is RPSC, similarly for UP there will be UPSC, or in MP there will be MPPSC or something like that. So, and Gujarat, like some Gujarat and other state have their own public service commission. So there you can go and find out more about these state engineering examination, and you can work only on your state through here. But in central and PSUs, you have to relocate throughout the India. You can have job at various locations throughout India, but in state engineering examination service you will only remain in your state only. Okay, so if you want more to near to your home, then you can opt for these state engineering examination service. Okay, so these are all about the government jobs. Let me reduce this so you can have better view on this. Okay, so this these are the various here armed forces examinations there. Now then we have discussed about some scientist examination of ISRO and DRDO. Then uh, India's topmost engineering services, which are ESC, then PSUs, then we have SSC. Okay, and then we have state engineering services exam. So these are the various examination which can you apply for having technical jobs in government field. For non-technical, there are many jobs, like for armed forces. Again, these are various jobs for Army and Navy and Air Force and Coast Guard. Let me show you that also. So these are the various examinations you can apply for non-technical jobs in armed forces. Again, you have UPSC exams like for civil services, National Defense Academy examination, NDA, and all that. You can want if you want to become IAS, RAS, uh, and IPS like that. Sorry, IAS and IPS. Okay, RAS for state level. Okay, so you can opt for UPSC exam. Many engineers and doctor do pursue this field and serve the nation. Then again we have SSC examination. So it is got a long list. SSC having a very long list. So SSC again conduct a CGL exam, combined graduate level exam for Group B and Group C post at different ministries. Okay, so some ministries you can see here like Home Ministry, government, central government ministries like these ministries, defense and public, textile, health, and all these, and CAG and all many, and PSUs also, SAIL, BHEL, GAIL, and all that. Other government organizations like NIA, IB, ED. So there are many different government offices where a person can work in Group B or Group C post after clearing CGL. Okay, and again in Rajasthan there is RPSC, and likewise in other state there is another public sector, public service commissions are there. So you can be an RS or RPS like in Rajasthan. There also you can administrative civil service servants. They you can also become. Okay. Then we have bank examination. This is also very much famous among very engineering students. They used to opt for bank examination also. And apart from these, there are many other. So please let me know in comment section which are the different examination. I have not included this in this lecture. Okay, and now the private one. Okay, so private one, again there may be technical and non-technical jobs. In technical there can be R&D and operation and management jobs. We will also discuss this topic in detail in next some few lectures maybe. Please write in the comment section if you want. And for each branch we can discuss of engineering what are the different private sector jobs and how we can approach them. And non-technical technical jobs may include management and sales. Okay, not only sales, it can be management also, but it's starting level. In good company you will also, if you are going for private job, then they will recommend or they will put you in sales only. And I have wrote sales here because engineering is a basically graduation where in 4 year you can learn many things. And the person, there are many students who work for the sales, like you have heard about that Byju's and all that. So they only the many engineer getting good jobs at Byju's because they are selling that course. Okay, similarly there are many technical jobs also, technical sales jobs also in various technical companies. Okay, so if a person is from technical knowledge and technical background only, then he can sell that technical product very efficiently. So that's why sale is also a big job sector for in a private company. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you like this presentation, and I have not make you confused and all that. So just have a look here. So these are the various classification which we have discussed now. Okay, so let me know which topic you want to have more further clarification, like for entrepreneurship, if you want to talk about or learn about it, please type 1 in the comment section. Similarly, for MTech, MS4, 5, these number I have put here. So, and also you can also tell me what are the different jobs option which I have left out. Okay. So again, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening and having a good day.